Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to use the snipping tool. Now we would be aware of the print screen function, which takes a picture of all of your screen, which you can then paste in another document. But sometimes you don't want that, you just want a small part of it, and that's what the snipping tool allows you to do. So the first thing you do is open it. You do that by holding Windows and Shift down, pressing S. Now once you do that, this screen will appear. It will slightly darken the screen. Now what I can do now is draw the area that I want to snip or print screen. In this case I'm going to copy the first 3 months of this spreadsheet like that, just expenses in January, February, March. It will pop up on the right hand side to say that it's saved into the clipboard. I can then go to my Word document, paste it in. I can go right click, paste, or I can press Ctrl V, and as you can see it's pasting in just the part that I snipped. So this is a really cool function to use if you just want part of the screen that you need to send in an email or put to another document.